Proverbs chapter 18 verse 21. Death and life are in the power of the tongue, and those who love it will eat its fruit. Good morning, beloved brothers and sisters. This is the word for today. We live in a universe that is ruled with words. The universe itself was put together and set in place through the words of creation. For every command, let there be, something comes forth, and it is set also into his order by another command of creation. Therefore, every work of creation is established by words. Beloved, you will also recall that the created world order of bliss and satisfaction for the first man and his wife was altered, and a new order of corruption, death, and pain was set by the words of corruption. While the word of creation comes from God, the word of corruption originates from the devil. From that time to this moment, every man and woman on earth has their word being either created or corrupted by their words. From that time, every spoken word or every word heard becomes the connector to the constructive order or to the destructive order. That is why things can either get better or go worse with a person, depending on the kind of words he or she connects their life with. Beloved, by speaking right words, you can take charge of your life order. Through this, you can agree verbally with what God has said about your life and also disagree with the devil verbally, whatever God has not said about you. Lamentations chapter 3 verse 37 reads thus: Who is he who speaks and it comes to pass when the Lord has not commanded it? Beloved, if the Lord has said it, it is yours to take and possess. You can employ your tongue as a creative tool to carve that new victorious, successful image of yourself in the absolute beautiful, superior, and dominant features of God's word for you. Beloved, there is another level of confession which you can make. It is the confession for cooperation. This kind of confession affords you the opportunity for your greater fulfillment in God. It steps you up into higher dimension of spiritual reality, possibility, maturity, and responsibility in the things of God. Beloved, you can confess to cooperate when you engage yourself in a personal talk with God. It is in this type of confession you join Him to exercise His rule and authority and decide on the outcome of life issues according to His unfailing love. Amen. Beloved, start confessing God's word for your life and start seeing God's plan being unfolded in the physical. Till tomorrow, start living right by confessing right things written by God for you. Shalom, Maranatha.